Hey y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is the Urby. So if you want a modern, new, beautiful high rise with huge windows with beautiful floors, really clean look, this is your place. You don't need to look any further, and it's simply gorgeous. It's new, it's delightful, and picture your living room having these kind of lines and views and colors and everything. This is a 2 bedroom at the Urby. There's one of the bedrooms. It's got like a barn door, by the way, that closes off the bedroom. And then we're just gonna go into one of the bathrooms so you can see it. But isn't this adorable? By the way, that's the closet over there. Closet's a really nice size, and there's some cute built-ins in there. And then we're gonna go walk into the bathroom. The bathroom, it's got a walk-in shower, very clean, very pretty. And then here is the other part of it. Isn't this adorable? So it's that is a drawer. And man, it's just so beautiful. This is the kind of place you want to be, don't you think? This is gorgeous. You've got all the windows here, and you're in the bedroom as well. And this is just one of the bedrooms. This is a beautiful place, a beautiful choice. It's been super popular with my clients. If you'd like more information about it, go ahead and send me a text on the number below. That's my personal number. You can send me a text and go, Grant, I absolutely love this beautiful Urby choice.